Samsung strikes again as they revealed two new laptops for the GalaxyBook 4 series, aptly called the GalaxyBook 4 Pro and the GalaxyBook 4 Ultra. Both of these laptops come with top-of-the-line specs and give the likes of Apple a hard time in terms of computational performance. But if you had to choose, which one of these two laptops would be the right pick for you? Fret not, because in our video today, we're going to compare these two laptops and give you an idea of which one would be the better pick for you. So without further ado, let's begin. When it comes to design and build quality, both laptops exude a premium and sophisticated aesthetic, but with slightly different approaches. The GalaxyBook 4 Pro embodies minimalist elegance with its sleek metal chassis and ultra-thin profile, measuring just 12.8mm thick, weighing in at a portable 1.66 kilograms. It's the perfect travel companion for those who prioritize portability without compromising on style. On the other hand, the GalaxyBook 4 Ultra takes a more robust and classy approach to its design. Despite its powerful internals, it maintains a surprisingly lightweight construction at 1.23 kilograms, making it remarkably portable for a laptop of its caliber. Both laptops feature premium keyboards that offer a satisfying typing experience, but the GalaxyBook 4 Ultra's keyboard takes it a step further with a silky MacBook-esque feel that adds an extra touch of luxury. The attention to detail in the design and build quality of these laptops is evident. From the sturdy metal construction to the precisely engineered keyboard, every aspect has been meticulously crafted to deliver a premium user experience. Whether you prefer the minimalist sophistication of the GalaxyBook 4 Pro or the classy robustness of the GalaxyBook 4 Ultra, both laptops exude a level of quality and craftsmanship that is sure to impress.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
When it comes to raw performance, these Samsung laptops truly flex their muscles. The GalaxyBook 4 Pro is equipped with Intel's cutting-edge Ultra 7 155H processor, which brings a significant boost in graphics capabilities thanks to the integrated Intel Arc graphics. This potent combination allows you to not only breeze through productivity tasks, but also enjoy decent gaming performance, making it a versatile choice for both work and play. However, the GalaxyBook 4 Ultra takes performance to stratospheric levels, with the option to choose between the powerful Intel Core i9 or i7 processors and the inclusion of an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series GPU. This laptop becomes an unstoppable force. Whether you are a professional video editor, a passionate gamer, or simply someone who demands the absolute best performance, the GalaxyBook 4 Ultra delivers with ease. Its hardware configuration is a true powerhouse, capable of handling even the most demanding workloads without breaking a sweat, ensuring that you can push your creativity and productivity to new heights. When it comes to displays, Samsung has truly raised the bar with these two laptops, catering to different multimedia needs and preferences. The GalaxyBook 4 Pro flaunts a stunning 16-inch OLED display with a 3:2 aspect ratio and a remarkable 2800 by 1800 resolution. This OLED panel is a true feast for the eyes, delivering vibrant colors, deep inky blacks, and excellent brightness levels that make it an ideal choice for multimedia consumption or creative work. Whether you're watching your favorite movies or editing photos, the display's exceptional color accuracy and contrast will ensure a truly immersive experience. Taking the display game to unprecedented heights is the GalaxyBook 4 Ultra, with its jaw-dropping 16-inch 3K dynamic AMOLED 2x 120Hz display. boasting a resolution of 2880 by 1800, HDR10 Plus support for enhanced contrast and color accuracy, and a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. This display is a dream come true for content creators, gamers, and anyone who craves a truly immersive visual experience. The level of detail, smoothness, and overall visual fidelity offered by this display is simply unparalleled, making it the ultimate choice for those who demand the very best in multimedia performance. Portability and battery life are crucial factors for many users, and both laptops offer impressive capabilities in this regard. The GalaxyBook 4 Pro packs a 76 watt-hour battery, which allows for up to 10 hours of video playback, or around 11 hours of typical productivity work. Its slim and lightweight design also makes it an excellent choice for those who are frequently on the move. The GalaxyBook 4 Ultra, despite its larger size and more powerful components, still manages to deliver impressive battery life. With normal usage, you can expect up to 10 hours of battery life, while more intensive tasks may reduce that to 6 to 8 hours. It's a remarkable feat for a laptop with such high-end specifications. Now the million-dollar question: which laptop should you choose? The answer largely depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you're a professional or a power user who demands top-of-the-line performance for tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, or intense gaming, the GalaxyBook 4 Ultra is the clear winner. Its powerful processors, dedicated graphics card, and stunning display make it a true powerhouse that can handle even the most demanding workloads with ease. However, if you're looking for a well-rounded laptop that strikes a balance between performance, portability, and affordability, the GalaxyBook 4 Pro might be the perfect choice. Its sleek design, impressive OLED display, and capable Ultra processor make it an excellent option for productivity tasks, multimedia consumption, and light gaming. Additionally, if you value portability and battery life above all else, the GalaxyBook 4 Pro's lightweight design and impressive battery life give it an edge over the Ultra model. Regardless of your choice, both laptops offer a premium experience with Samsung's signature design and quality. It ultimately comes down to your specific needs, budget, and preferences.